Hi guys, welcome to Rainbow Towers Hotel. Yes, so this is where we are. Our company, Skyrockers Pro Media, is the one that has been hired, and we are doing the media live conferencing for ICASA event. So yeah, right there, I'll show you our team is actually at work at Jacaranda conference room. That's where we are actually. So yeah, this is the exterior. So right, I'm just vlogging so that you can actually see from the outside, and then we'll get inside so that you actually see the team behind the scenes. So Skyrockers is a media company. We do events, all kinds of events. We shoot, we capture. So yeah, we are almost at the room. I want to show you the conference room that we are actually doing the live broadcast. Yeah, so people are just having some refreshments and some are busy moving around. This is the Rainbow Towers, guys. Zimbabwe is got such beautiful hotels, right? Yeah, such beautiful. So yeah, so this is he's one of our photographer. It's Skyrockers Pro Media. Actually, he's now getting inside to do the work. Yes. So
it looks like I'm late.
Yeah, it's fine. That's cool.
Interventions available in terms of treatment and care. But then what does it really take for the young person to be able to go to that facility and access that services? And you realize that in most of our societies, the bedrock in which maybe our health service providers are offering their service is all based on the moral value, the moral compass that are deeply ingrained within the societal cultural norms, the societal cultural values. Because if you look at the healthcare provider, one of the young person talked about the attitudes of the healthcare providers. Remove these are people who also going through a socialization. That's something how we connect the system, how the person, how the people, at the end of the day, we are putting our moral values first instead of seeing that this culture safeguards the lives of the young people that they can use it. So the culture is not safeguard its people. It is not the best and it is not
Yes, alright. I'm here for work and I'm here for a vlog too. So in this vlog I will show you around the Rainbow Towers Hotel and how beautiful this hotel is. You see? Yes. This is Rainbow Towers located in Harare. Yes. Shooting. We are there, we are around. He's one of our photographers as well. So these are HD cameras. You see, professional lighting. Can you just capture me once, on a vlog? Yes. Yeah. Capture it. One more. Yeah, that's cool. So Chino, see you soon. I'm coming by Jakarta and I'm just doing a vlog, right? Cool. Nice. Yeah, so guys, we continue with the vlog. This time I need to go and join my media crew who are doing live conferencing and video shooting. So I really need to be there and join the team and make sure that the work proceeds. Yeah. So for those who are watching us from abroad, yeah, Zimbabwe says such beautiful hotels. You can actually do a lot of things, conferences, breakfast, bedding, sleeping. There's food, you can order a lot of dishes. Yeah, so Zimbabwe is such a beautiful country with the high standard quality hotels that you can actually rely on for all your events, right? Yeah, so I'm now getting inside, I'm now walking, I'm on my way back to the conference room. I want to go join my media team and make sure that the job get done. Yes. So yeah, guys, see you soon. We are back.
And that policy is now in South Africa not just lip service, but you can see how it's integrated and how it's being integrated in schools. And we heard from quite a few young people who spoke this morning about the lack of information. And so with that, hopefully that is one way of trying to tackle the information gap. And then the